How to replace a Habasit belt on NBS90 PolySort. These are the items required. Safety. Always lock out power source and follow recommended safety procedures. Turn off the power supply. Turn off the air supply. Loosen the rail hardware located on the bottom of the rails. Loosen the rail hold-down clamps and turn to unclamp the rails. Remove the rails. Move the belts to the sides. Remove the access panel on the side of the transfer unit. Remove the top half of the end cover on the transfer unit. Loosen the two outermost sheaves on each side to release the tension of the belt. Remove the rollers. Remove the three center sheaves located above the motor pulley. Loosen the motor pulley. Slide the old belt behind the pulley to remove. Loosen the motor bolts. Install the new belt. Make sure the green part of the belt faces the motor pulley. Tighten the motor pulley. Reinstall the three center sheaves. Make sure to assemble the sheaves with the short spacer on the bolt first and then push the bolt through the sheave on the C-clip side. Then slide the long spacer over the end of the bolt. Reinstall the sheaves. Thread the belt as shown. Move the belts back in place and tighten the motor bolts. Tighten the two outermost sheaves on each side. Reinstall the rollers. Make sure the belt loops above each roller. Use a sonic tension tester to measure the tension of the Habasit belt. Enter in the belt tension factors. Span 163 millimeters, width 25.4 millimeters, weight 1.2 grams per meter, tension frequency range equals 161 plus or minus 5 Hertz. Hold the microphone approximately 1 inch by the belt. Using your finger, flick the belt so it makes a vibration. The sonic tester will measure the vibration and give you a reading. Test the belt at least 3 times to get an average reading. The tension frequency range should be 161 plus or minus 5 Hertz. If the tension frequency range is wrong, loosen the 4 clamping bolts and adjust the 4 take-up hex screws. Repeat tension process. When the test is correct, tighten all the take-up lock nuts and the clamping bolts. Install the rails and tighten the hardware under the rails. Turn the hold-down clamps to lock in the rails and tighten. Reinstall the access panel and end cover on the transfer unit. Turn on the air and power. For more maintenance videos, visit MHS-Conveyor.com.